There's only one Ford dealer with the guts to prove you're paying the absolute lowest price possible. At Bob Thomas Ford, we'll show you the invoice and give you the Ford employee discount listed right on it. It's the absolute best deal possible, plus any and all rebates and incentives. And with September being Ford Truck Month, we have 0% financing for 72 months on all Ford F-150s, America's best-selling trucks.
Nobody, but nobody, will sell you a new car for less.
Bob Thomas Ford, north on Coliseum, west on Illinois.